Hi Petros, this one is about the force manual target that take twice the same order on the same bar. It should take only once the order. And so it's done by the EA, not manually, because there is a take profit and stop loss placed. So, okay, we see the price 112.11 we say, okay, for each 111.02 and 111.35. So it's within a 1 hour bar, and we can see. So in force manual target we had 112.10, let's say with tolerance 2 pips, and that's the result here. On that bar, the price went up and down. At 11.02 something, it reached it went up, it went down, whatever, twice. Or maybe it just went up and down. That's the only thing that happened. And the entire game here of this force manual target stuff, it's to disable the target, so we don't have this. I did not see any alert like that. Target has been disabled, I remember. But in that case, I did not see that.